Hello guys, welcome to EDUBUZZ News. This is our first video of our channel EDUBUZZ News. Here is the quick introduction to our channel. EDUBUZZ News YouTube channel is the official channel of the website www.edubuzznotes.com. It is an educational channel that deals with study materials, reviews and many more. The content of the channel includes study material, chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, and tips and tricks. In study material, we will be having book reviews and question papers of different competitive exam and board examination. In chemistry, we will be learning about the various chapters of class 11 and 12. In biology, we will be learning about the various chapters of class 11 and 12. In physics, we will be learning the class 11 and 12 notes. In mathematics, we will be having the notes and the solution of every chapters of class 11 and 12. And at last, the tips and tricks, we will be learning the various shortcut tricks of mathematics, chemistry, and many more in a very simple and a quick way.